friends, Professor Sex here. Today we are back on behalf of the folks at Kink to do another awesome Kink how-to video. Today we're going to review the items in the slip and slide box. The item in the box that throws the most people for a loop is the slipping and sliding bed sheet. You want to bring the fun of a slip and slide inside? This is the sheet for you. Usually these sheets are marketed for water sports. What are water sports, you ask? Some of you are giggling, you already know. Water sports is a more marketable way to say piss play. Some people are super turned on when their partner urinates on them in a sexy way, and there's a lot of different ways that people can explore playing with water sports. This video is not about water sports. This video is for the many folks who get a sheet like this, aren't really interested in water sports, or that's not a big part of their play, and they want to know, what's in this for me? So, for you all non-water sports folks who now have a new vinyl bed sheet, let's dive right in. I happen to already have one of these open, so let's look at that, shall we? These things are massive, about the size of a queen size bed, although if you have a king size bed, this will cover the entire top of your mattress. You can tell by looking that depending on which side of the sheet you flip, you're either gonna get that nice, shiny vinyl texture that we know and love, or you get that smooth, satiny, matte finish. You can hear. Both textures are really awesome. They're a lot of fun to play with. One is gonna be a little more sticky, one's gonna be a little more like slick, and you just kind of have to feel out what's right for you. I suggest trying both. If all you're doing is throwing this down before you get down, that's a lot less laundry you have to do. But that's not the only fun there is to be had in this fantastic sheet. Let's talk about all the ways you can explore playing that will be made easier and more fun by having one of these sheets in your toolbox. Whipped cream. Make yourself a human sundae, add some chocolate and caramel. Maybe you want to get into temperature play. Maybe you want to explore some erotic massage. Or just getting back to basics, lube. Lube up and don't worry about whether or not the lube you're using is going to stain your sheets. It won't. This baby just wipes clean. Really, friends, you're only limited by your imagination. This sheet is tons of fun. And again, remember the youthful joy you had playing with a slip and slide in the summer with your friends, and then bring that imagination inside without worrying about ruining your fancy bedding. Adding that sensation to your sexy time increases novelty. Increased novelty is one of the fastest ways to spice up your sexual experiences. This is really for creative, out-of-the-box thinkers. Are there ways that you use this that I haven't thought of? Leave that in the comments, shoot us an email, let us know. We'd love to share those tips with other people. If you're just using this for water sports, I imagine you're having the time of your life, so enjoy that too. There's really no wrong way to use this stuff as long as everyone present is a consenting adult. So have fun, be safe. We'll see you guys next time.